Hi, in this video I will show you how you can record sounds on POCO F7. So first open the app drawer and from here find the recorder. And now you can click this icon over here, and this is the permission for the recording audio. So let's take while you using the app. Also to send notifications, let's allow it. Exit from here, and now I am recording my voice from here. When it's done, you just simply have to click this icon. Also, you can pause from here and also like make the flags by using this. And now it's saving, and you can hear, and here you can find your recordings. Exit from here, and yeah, that's my voice. Exactly. So yeah, basically that's all. Thanks for watching and subscribe this channel.